Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a little review. I am trying the L'Oreal Professional Steampod and it is my first time opening the box. You'll see that down the line. Also first time trying it, so if you want to see how I went from this to this, keep watching. Okay, so let's get this party started. First things first, I'm going to section my hair. The reason why it is a little bit voluminous like this, number one, I have extremely curly hair. Number two, I slept with it wet and didn't really do anything to it. I just slept and woke up with it looking like this. But let's go ahead and section the hair and see how the Steampod can help me whenever I do this whole sleep with wet curly hair situation. If you have curly hair, you know what I mean. You know, having smooth, sleek looking hair is not just like that. I would have to wash it and then blow dry it and then style it. So whenever I know I'm going to blow dry my hair, I like to wash it the night before, not have to do anything with it, go to bed, and then the following day I blow dry it or style it. Just feels like it's less time spent. Maybe it isn't, but it just works for me. And the straightener comes like this. I have never used it, by the way. This is the first time using it and I'm doing with you guys, so very exciting. I'm gonna take it off the box and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I plugged it in and first impression, it does feel like a luxury item. It has some weight to it. It looks very sleek, very luxe. I'm quite excited to give it a go. It has this little plastic brush. I guess it's to help when you're working through your hair. I'm going to fill it up with some water. This comes with it. So I've turned it on to 210. I'm gonna see how that works with my hair, and you can instantly start hearing it working. And like I thought, the temperature stops blinking and that's when you know it's ready to use. I'm gonna actually turn it down to 180. I don't think 210 is great for colored hair, so let's go and give it a go. Okay, so this is pretty impressive if you compare, you know, the curly situation here with this little lock that I used it with. So far so good. And I'm not gonna bore you with the whole process. I'm gonna fast forward and come back when I'm doing the top bit. We have it. I am actually so impressed by it because I mean, you guys saw it was pretty curly in the beginning of this video and it was so effortless. It was as if I was just brushing it through with a magic brush, and it didn't take me many tries. I'd say if your hair is not super curly like mine, one go will make it super straight. Obviously mine is like proper curly, so it took me maybe going over it once or twice, but wow. And it was super quick as well. It did not take me long at all. And obviously this, I think it reduces the damage by 70%, something crazy like that. But I am very impressed by it. My hair feels very soft. It's quite shiny, and it's, I mean, if you have blonde hair, you will know it is difficult to get shiny blonde hair. But, oops, sorry. But I don't know if you guys can tell, it just looks so healthy, not dry at all. My ends look so healthy. Normally when I go in with a straightener, it just looks super dry and you can really see all the split ends, whereas I feel like it looks extremely healthy after using it. It is a big thumbs up for me, for sure. But that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see all the other videos I have coming up for you. But until next time, bye.